So now let's take a look at volume by currency pairs. So this is based on a study that I do, a comparison that I did in 2019. Foreign exchange and OTC FX derivatives market turnover by currency pairs as of January 2019. This hasn't changed much. So you can practically see Euro USD, also commonly known as fiber, has got the largest share of the volume, meaning it's the most liquid currency pair in the market. So you're going to find out that trading Euro USD is not that expensive. The spread is going to be low. So you find spreads as low as maybe 2 or 3 or 5, but the past 2-3 weeks the spreads have been high due to the volatility of the market. So Euro USD, you could see that the spread was way above 12, 15 or 18 depending on the time of the day. After Euro USD, we've got the USD JPY, the dollar against the Japanese yen, or shortly the yen. It is the second most traded currency pair, US dollar against the Japanese yen, followed by Australian dollar against US dollar. Then we've got USD CAD against US dollar against the Canadian dollar. Then we have the British pound against the US dollar, followed by New Zealand dollar against US dollar. Then we've got British pound against the yen and the rest. So my advice when you are starting your journey into forex trading, try to focus on currency pairs that are more liquid. Try to focus on the most liquid currency pairs. This will help you to understand the market much better. When a currency pair is more liquid, it means there's gonna be more movements because there's a lot of speculators involved in that currency pairs. A lot of people will look to trade Euro USD. Unlike, say, you want to trade an exotic pair like US dollar against the Turkish lira, you're going to find out that the spread is very high on that currency pair and the movements are not that much, except when there's strong fundamentals that can affect the movement. So always try to make sure you trade currency pairs that are liquid, like Euro USD, USD JPY, AUD USD, USD CAD. Yes, this will help you in your progression as a trader. You get to understand more about the movement of price when you're focusing on pairs that are more liquid. So try to make sure that you've got at least 2 or 3 major currency pairs on your trading portfolio. You see, what do I mean by trading portfolio? This is like, you are not going to be trading all these currency pairs. Your mind is not going to be able to handle all of them. So you must have like 4 or 5 or even 3 currency pairs that you focus on, so that over a long period of time you get to understand how they move. So in the next section we are going to talk about the worst mistakes that most traders make. Thank you.